Welcome to another vlog from JMC. So this is the city where I live, and this is mostly the reason that why I live here. Wait, I'll show you. This is Faisalabad in Pakistan, and the reason why I chose to live here and make a garage here as a garagist and car enthusiast, because the availability of parts here is way too much. In other cities there is not way much availability, and it's not, if there is availability, the parts are not that cheap. But here in Faisalabad the parts are really cheap and are readily available. Not really cheap, but cheap too as compared to other cities. So this is shoaib market. This is what it is called, and today I'm gonna today is a holiday and it's closed, so that's why it was easy to make a video today, because mostly the parts are outside. So I'll show you and quick around that how and what kind of parts are available here, and I can't tell you about the rates basically, but you can get an idea here, right? So been switched. Now you can see we have basically entered the market. So these are all the front end of cars, the all front end assembly, and these are of many cars. You can find almost any Japanese cars front end assembly and rear end assemblies here. There is right a rear end assembly. These are all rear end assemblies, front end assemblies again, fans. Basically today is a holiday, so the shops are closed. These are all the bumpers from, this is the bumper of the 2022 Corolla, and steerings, horns, everything else. So I'll give you a quick round trip of the market so you can get a really nice idea of it. See here again, this is not scrap, they sell everything here, but it's all stacked out because there's not enough space in the shops. So as you can see, they're all Corolla bumpers lined up together. The roofs of cars, and everything is available. This is almost a scrap. See, the car got buried because no one bought it. Bumper from a Civic, engine from a Suzuki Mehran or something. Front end of a, I think so, it's a City or a Civic, but it's a Honda. This is another complete nose cut of some Japanese car. Front brace bar, hood of some car. See, doors of a Corolla. And this is a V6, I think so, it's the 5VZ Toyota V6 from the Parado. So this was one street. Now here's the other street. So this is the second street. This is basically the main street. As you can see, complete nose cut and complete front end of cars are available here. Complete roofs of cars. There's, you can see, Fortuner bumper, nose cuts of many cars, and all sorts of parts are readily available here. This is such an awesome market. That's why I love this city, Faisalabad, so much. Here you can see roofs of many various cars, complete front ends, complete front ends along with the floor pans. Doors of many cars, and engines are also available. These are all engines. See, these are scrapped engines that they are going to rebuild or sell for parts. And there are also another street which is only for the engines, that is across the road. So today I'm going to just show the body parts, so you can see the availability here. See, these are from the cars that are available in Pakistan. Brace bars again. This is the complete rear end of a Corolla. See, isn't it awesome? Other than that, you can see front assemblies, shocks, engines complete. This is a 90 Corolla assembly, 2000 Corolla front assembly, another 90 Corolla assembly, Japanese little Daihatsus. See, complete Corolla rear ends. A 2022 Civic front end complete with a bonnet bumper. I think we call it a nose cut. And this is the seat shop. This is closed today. So these are the seats that are cheap. The seats that are outside the shops are cheap, and the inside are, of course, are expensive. So here's another Corolla, the newer one, complete here. Bumper of Wades and many other Japanese cars. Here's another Suzuki Atrai. And this is almost the end of the market. This is another Civic rear end. So this is the rear end, and there was the front end. So a complete Civic was available here. This was a quick tour of the shoaib market in Faisalabad in Pakistan. So I really enjoy coming here, and I like the availability of parts and everything here, so I decided to show it to you. Hope you guys like it. So if you like it, or you want anything from here or any information about here, you can contact me. And I just want to remind you that you should subscribe my channel, because we are the JMC Garage, and you can see my other videos. We basically modify cars and we work in off-roaders, but also modification are done at our garage. So if you want any kind of facility or help from me, you can contact me. So thank you for watching.